Hello friends, today we will discuss about austenite to perlite and austenite to benite transformation. So first one is austenite to coarse perlite. How this transformation takes place, that we will see with the help of time temperature transformation diagram for eutectoid steel. Let us start. So first step is heating the eutectoid steel to some temperature that is above A1 to this temperature. We have to heat and hold at this temperature for sufficient period of time. Then immediately we have to transfer these samples to some temperature just below A1, and then we have to hold this steel at this temperature for sufficient period of time so that perlite starts forming, and after a few minutes, after sufficient period of time, that will lead to formation of or finish of perlite. We can say finish of perlite. So at this point finish of perlite will be there. That means it gives rise to coarse perlite structure. Austenite, A stands for austenite, gives coarse perlite structure. This is first transformation we have studied. Let us go for second transformation, austenite to fine perlite transformation. In this transformation, again we are heating to some temperature above A1, holding at this temperature for sufficient period, and then we immediately transfer these samples to some temperature just above the nose of this TTT diagram, so that after certain period of time we enter into start of perlite, and after a few minutes, holding at this temperature for sufficient period of time at constant temperature, this leads to fine perlite transformation. This is about austenite to fine perlite transformation. Let us go for the third transformation, that is austenite to upper benite transformation. How this takes place? Again we are heating to this temperature A1 plus 50, holding at this temperature and then immediately transferring these samples to some temperature just below nose of TTT curve, and holding at this constant temperature for sufficient period of time, we enter into start of benite formation. Holding again at this temperature for sufficient period, we reach to this point, that is BF, which leads to austenite to upper benite transformation. And the last one is austenite to lower benite transformation. Heating the steel again to this temperature A1 plus 50, holding at this temperature for sufficient period, and then immediately transferring that steel samples to some temperature just above MS, and holding at this temperature, constant temperature, for sufficient period of time, we enter into start of benite, and again holding at this temperature for sufficient period of time, we can say we enter into BF, that is benite finish or finish of benite transformation. And the transformation or the structure obtained after holding at this temperature for sufficient period, we get lower benite transformation. This is all about austenite to perlite and austenite to benite transformation with the help of TTT diagram, that is time temperature transformation diagram. Thank you.